statistics proves a fella falls more readily when music puts a partner in his arms. Before you know, he's calling on her steadily, which leaves no doubt that music does have charm. But if you really want someone to fall, why, the people call the pearlies when they're dancing with their girlies down on Amstead the surest way of all. It's so absolutely different and delightful when you're done the Amstead way. It's so far ahead of dreaming, why, it's practically romance, the Amstead way. So put wings on your shoes and tell your blues it's time to take a holiday. But if you likes to kiss the music, well, you stands a better chance the Amstead way. It's so absolutely different and delightful when you dance
What is?
the Amstead way. Why, it's so far ahead of dreaming, why, it's practically romance.
That's right, girl.
The Amstead way. So put wings on your shoes and tell your blues it's time to take a holiday.
Yeah, come on, girl.
But if you like to kiss the music, well, you stand the better chance the Amstead way. It's time to take a holiday. But if you like to kiss the music, well, you stands a better chance